Oxa.
Oxa is the first breathing wearable. With Oxa, we are changing the status quo, because if breathing impacts every system in the body, it's impossible to be truly healthy until you have learned to breathe well. We developed the smart shirt and the bra, the sensor, the cloud, and the app all in-house.
The electronics is enclosed in a casing with a unique design in the shape of a pebble stone. The Oxa device contains best-in-class sensors, an ECG chip to measure the electrical current of your heart, an RIP chip to measure your respiration, and a skin temperature sensor. We chose Micromodal, a natural fabric that is breathable, stretchable, and has a comfortable feel. The smart components, developed and produced at Nanolake, are integrated in these garments. That data is processed via our proprietary algorithms, which enable high signal accuracy. The sensor is connected to your phone via Bluetooth, where the Oxa Life app captures the sensor data. The app provides a holistic experience with dynamic and immersive breathing exercises aimed at multiple use cases.
Good health is about more than maxing out your gym membership or switching your carbs for keto diet. We must look at ourselves as a whole person, acknowledge our unique challenges and goals, and get to know our bodies on a deeper level. And that's what Oxa is all about. Join the breathing revolution, join Oxa.